Hey guys, I purchased this electric power wash the other day and I've used it briefly, and I have to say I'm pretty pleased with the outcome of this. Just wanted to kind of go over some of the features with you and tell you about it today. It's made by PowerRide. It's listed as being 4,000 PSI output, 2.6 gallons per minute. As for me, it's enough power to take care of the things that I need to wash from time to time. Just looking at the features of this, it did require just some minimal assemblies, primarily just kind of snap on. The handle had to be installed, just inserted with a couple of screws here in the back, and also this hose holder here with a couple of screws in the back. And then these two wine holder and the power cord holder just pretty much snap into place. You have a storage compartment here that you can store your pressure washer tips or other items there if desired. The on and off switch here, it's either on or it's either off. It comes with a quick connect hose, which you just simply push it in right here. It snaps into place, as you can see, and it's locked into place. In order to release this hose, so just kind of use your thumb, and it comes right out. Okay, and it comes with a wand, and it comes with the normal variety of tips, from low pressure to high volume pressure. You can store these on this wand itself, or you can take these off and store them in this storage compartment, as I mentioned earlier. It comes with a quick disconnect here. You can just take one of your tips, pull this down, insert it, and then slide that back up. Okay, and then you're ready to go. Then you just hook up the other end of your hose. It just simply screws on here. Then you have the electrical power cord here on the side, and I'm not exactly sure what the measurement is, but it's a good 15 to 20 feet, so there's plenty of cord. Then it comes with this foaming or cleaning bottle here that you can use in conjunction with the wand. To use that, you just press and hold this down and twist, and then just line up the slots there, and then this just simply unscrews. You can fill up the bottle with whatever agent that you need, align the slots up and turn it, and then you're ready to go. And you can apply like concrete cleaner or different cleaning agents to apply initially. Then when you're through, you can just press it down and remove this. Then you can place the sprayer wand back on just with a simple press and twist. Okay, then you're ready to go. Then on the back, you got a place to where you can store the bottle. Okay, on the very back also, this is where you would screw in your water hose source, your water source. You have this little screen here to filter out any kind of particulates or granules to make sure it doesn't damage the motor and pump. You have the two wheels on it that you can roll it to your job site as well with the handle there. And then, so on the side here, you have a place that you can store your wand. And then also on the front, you have a place that you can put your hose, hang your hose on for storage or for wheeling to your job site there. So let's give it a try. So in all, it's been a good power washer. I think it's going to do a great job for me. So I recommend the PowerRide Electric Power Washer.